Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view all saved Wi-Fi passwords on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the View By up at the top right and click the drop down and select the large icons. And now you want to select where it says Network and Sharing Center. Service listed underneath Internet here should be a hyperlink. Go ahead and select it. Now if you were using a Wi-Fi based connection, you would have a button here underneath or right next to details that would say Wireless Properties. You go ahead and left click on that, and then a new window would appear, and you would select the Security tab, and you would check mark the box where it says Show Characters. Again, you would select the Security tab up at the top, and then you would check mark Show Characters. I'm using an Ethernet-based connection here, so that's why it's not going to show us an option here for wireless properties, which makes sense. But a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.